If you love ribs, you gotta try this pork rib rub recipe.
Hey there, today I'm going to share with you a recipe that actually only takes 5 minutes to make, but it's a recipe that could last you 4 months. What I'm talking about is my rib rub recipe. It's specifically for pork ribs, and while it's delightful on ribs, you could use it on chicken or beef, anything else that you'd like really. But specifically, if you're smoking pork ribs or if you're baking pork ribs in the oven, this is gonna hit the right savory and sweet notes to last you 4 months and taste really good every time you make them. So let's get in the kitchen and I'm gonna share with you how to make it. Let's go. All right, so one thing I recommend for getting started with making your own spice blends is that you get some really nice containers that are gonna help you feel that sense of accomplishment when it all looks nice in your pantry. So these are also really important because you want something that's airtight to store the spices so they last as long as possible. Let's see what's in this box. Whoa. The struggle is real. Are you mocking me? I have a little parrot back there. It looks so cute. Glass, I love. They have bamboo tops, I love. And if you can see, there's a little lining that keeps them airtight. Great.
All right, so what we did is we started with one of these spice kits, but you might have all these spices in your pantry. We just had to get new spices because we moved and they actually don't last forever, as you might think. Yeah. So all you need to do is put together some brown sugar, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and some cayenne powder. You could use as much spiciness as you'd like. By now your kitchen will be smelling delicious and you'll be ready to get your pork ready to rub with this pork rib rub. Now I find these containers will hold about 2 to 3 rib recipes for a time. You could always buy larger ones, but I think using the most freshly prepared seasonings for your pork ribs will really help make the flavor shine through. So I just gave it a little label. It was helpful that this kit came with all of that. And you can get all the product links for these on Sip Bite Go. So then it was time to make some smoker pork. We have a delicious 3-2-1 ribs recipe on Sip Bite Go that you can smoke. I also have some guides to show you how to bake ribs in the oven. This is a great dry rub for baked ribs as well. And you could use it on chicken or wings or anything else that you'd like. Here are the delicious smoked ribs. They came out so good, so tasty. Just a little bit of spice. They were sweet, they were yummy. You can print out all of these recipes at Sip Bite Go.